about you, but I'm just lazy when it comes to stuff like that. It's not that I don't know how to do it. I'm just lazy. I just type things dead fast, and I tend to like type it, and then I'll post it, and then I'll go, oh shit, and then I'll re-edit it, you know what I mean? But maybe that's why Facebook will put that feature on it for people like me that just rush through things. Gemma Travis was telling me off the other week. She says, your punctuation's shocking and all this, and I'm glad to say that I owned it. And if you're listening tonight, Gemma, you know you are well and truly own girl. Right, number 19 this week, guys. It is down the one this week. It is Keith Lally with The Only One. Another song that I'm quite surprised, really, is at the arse end of our chart. But it has been at the top as well, so, these things happen, don't they? I suppose that's what happens in charts. Ups and downs, ups and downs. This is Keith Lally, The Only One. Lovely tuneness.
Always looking out for signs, 'cause nothing's set in stone. To wanna find yourself alone. Don't you know that you're the only one? Yeah, you're the only one. The only one I need. Don't you know that you're the only one? Yeah, you're the only one. The only one I need, and we're living for today. 'Cause tomorrow never comes. We're watching the parade of all the lonely souls go walking by at once. Don't you know that you're the only one? Yeah, you're the only one. The only one I need. Don't you know that you're the only one? Yeah, you're the only one. The only one I need. Don't you know that you're the only one? You're the only one. The only one I need. Don't you know that you're the only one? You're the only one. The only one I need.
Are you in a band or a solo act based in the Northwest? If you would like your music played on Round Sound Radio, please send your MP3 to us. roundsound@inbox.com. Sorted.
You're amazing.
Righty, and in at number 18 this week, it's dropped down 4 places this week. It is the Costellas with 5 Days Time. Another absolutely beautiful tune that should be further up the top, but there you go. There it is. That's how we have it. Have a go with this, guys. This is 5 Days Time by the Costellas. Absolutely brilliant tune.
Practice makes perfect. A sergeant, a prefect on all time lows. Maybe the time is right to find out who lies. Silver drips into your heart and tears you apart. Search for a sinner way past his prime. Search for the police in the cauldron of peace. Stood by their wives. The mirror knows all. She watches you fall, but you don't know. Delaying the plot for the youngsters have not another place to go. Maybe the time is right to find out who lies. Silver drips into your heart and tears you apart. Question, I'll give you an answer in 5 days' time.
On a scale of 1 to 3, attentiveness of the tutor.
3.
Happy scale of 1 to 10.
10.
Sounds great. And say, for example, if I broke the law, right, or someone accused me of breaking the law, right, would you be all right with, say, coming into court to provide a character witness statement on behalf of your tutor, i.e. myself?
Yeah.
I love you, mate. I'm going to make this parole. I can feel it. I can feel it, mate.
Well, we've got a bit of a shake up next week, by God, in next week's charts. We've got about 5 big household brand names coming in, so I expect a bit of a shake up there, a little bit of a stir. You know what I mean? This microphone's doing me bloody head, and again, I seriously need to get myself a new mixing console. Right, guys. Anyway, number 17 this week is the Boston Shakers with Black Magic. This is a re-entry. They've got a gig coming up this Wednesday in the Cavern. It's for Dave Monks. It's an introduction show for the BBC. It's a pretty big gig, guys. Go onto the website and find out the actual details and how you can go about getting a ticket for that. We did have free tickets for the show, but I think they've gone on release now for sale. So get in touch with them. Absolutely brilliant band. It's going to be a bloody good night. I'm going to be there. I know that much. This is the Boston Shakers, Black Magic. This week's number 17.
Laser beam sweat falling from the ceiling. All the shady people looking so appealing. The beer's warm, but no one really gives a damn. All the stuff required, no time for tired, get wired. Strobe lights and smoke, I'm losing focus with my wide eyes. But the bouncers never notice, they don't care. They got tank tops and glow sticks, cracked out on Jack Dan and Red Bull Post Mix. Let them play how they wanna, see how bad they want it. Feeling supersonic, but I'm actually quite nauseous. Spilling gin and tonic on this hot chick, she lost it. About to lose the plot, how long till I come off this? You do the shots and you made the call, but you don't feel like you're even coming up at all. Smoking fast cause we're on a run, they give you such a hard time for having fun. I think you're wasted and I can taste it. Chemicals on the tip of your tongue. It never lasts, disappears in a flash, could be tragic. Playing with black magic. You don't remember where you were last night after 2. They won't believe what you're saying, they're just gonna laugh at you. Now don't complicate it.
for Molly, but all they wanted was water with ice. And on the drop he popped a pill, but then he vomited twice. No one really noticed till they turned on the lights, but they were dancing in it, chicks walking barefoot on broken glass. Bouncers turn a blind eye as long as the coke is stashed. Lifesavers, beverages full of flavor. We just getting paid to make it rain upon these ravens. Let them play how they wanna, see how bad they want it. Feeling supersonic, but I'm actually quite nauseous. Spilling gin and tonic on this hot chick and she lost it. About to lose the plot here, how long till I come off this? You do the shots and you made the call, but you don't feel like you're even coming up at all. Smoking fast cause we're on a run, babe. Give you such a hard time for having fun. I think you're wasted and I can taste it. Chemicals on the tip of your tongue. It never lasts, disappears in a flash, could be tragic. Playing with black magic. You don't remember where you were last night after 2. They won't believe what you're saying, they're just gonna laugh at you. Now don't complicate it. Just be glad that you made it through. All you want is to survive, and so you did what you had to do. I don't blame you. Do you still have it? I want that last hit, playing with black magic.
Feeling down? Worried you might not be able to pay your bills? Feeling stressed and scared about the future? I myself have been there. I was living on the streets for years begging people for money. That's when I come across crack and skull super. Now every day I'm drunk and high. Being honest, it's fucking wonderful.
Righty, on the 22nd of this month, guys, it will be the first year anniversary of the show. So we're going to do something a little bit different. We like to do things different. Something a little bit special. We're going to get a few bands down and a few acts down. And we're going to have a Round Sound Radio Barbie. And we're going to take all the footage from the garden. Going to get a few acoustic acts playing, hopefully. Party poppers out. Party hats. Sausage rolls. Pork pies. You name it, mate. It's going down. There won't be any beer, though. And then we all had a good laugh. But yeah, it's going to be aired on the 22nd. It's going to be a little bit earlier. It's not going to be 8 p.m. It's going to be more like, oh God, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe 4 o'clock in the afternoon, going out sometime around then. But the flyers will be up to let you know who's on and things like that as normal. Alright, anyway, you've been informed. Number 16, guys, it is down 16 places. No, it's not. It's down 6 places this week. That's 6. Just the 6. It's the Arquettes with Caught in Your Love. It's a lovely little tune. This it gets stronger on me every time I hear it. This week's number 16. Have a go with this, guys. And don't forget, if you like what you're listening to, do get on our Facebook. Give it a listen. Give it a share. And tell your mates about it. The more people that listen to the tunes tonight that I put up, the higher they will be in the chart next Thursday. It's as simple as that. Have a go.